Hello everyone, as most of you had requested for me to make a video on the unboxing of the Heuer connected 45mm Carrera watch. So this is the box and as you can see, Heuer Carrera connected 45mm, and within the box you also get the Heuer International warranty card. The box itself is this thing, so you have everything in the manual which comes with the Heuer. That's the Heuer manual here. That's the basic manual. So we put them back again. Okay, close these. So that's the watch, and I had the separate straps. So this is the Heuer strap case, and you get the bill and the shop. I got it from the 5th Avenue Heuer boutique, 685 5th Avenue, Manhattan, New York. So that's the receipt and the bill. These are the straps. Like I was mentioning, these modular watches have the plain straps and the one with the design itself. So you can actually change straps when you feel like, and it's a kind of an option or preference, whichever you want to wear anytime. So these are all $1,500, I think. So let me see if I can show you how to get this out. So these things come out from here. I can show you. Let me see if I can remove this. So that's the push button. There you go. That comes along easily like this. So this is what it means to be a modular watch design, where you have the watch face. And again, I'll just show you the Heuer connected to Eternity automatic 100 meters AWBF2880 model, and that's the Heuer connected automatic module. So it's pretty simple. If you want to put it back again, just have to place it accordingly. There you go. There you go. And then you just have to, I think I put it in reverse. You just have to remove this again. Okay, this comes like this. This goes here. This goes here. See, simple as that. Wear the watch, and then you can rock the Heuer Carrera 45mm. It's absolutely gorgeous. It kind of fits onto any wrist splendidly. So there you go. That's the box it comes with, and the additional accessories with the straps, the strap case, the lug case also. Heuer Swiss avant-garde since 1860. Techniques avant-garde, that's what TAG stands for. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Have a great day.